Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create and use shared album in photos on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use this feature, first you'll have to allow your iPhone to use shared albums. To turn this feature on, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. Then you'll see this option photos, tap on it. Again scroll a bit down. Then under album section, you will see this option shared albums. Toggle this button to turn it on. Once you turn this feature on, now you can go to your photos app. Once you're on this app, tap on this plus icon at top left corner. Then you will see this option new shared album. Tap on it. Now you can name the album. Once you name it, tap on next. Now you can invite your friends. Type in the name, email or phone number of the receiver. Once you add recipients, tap on the create button. Now you have created a shared album. Once you go inside it, you will see this plus icon, tap on it, and you can add photos. Once you select photos, tap on the add button, and you can write a caption, then tap on post. Once you do that, you'll be able to create or use shared album in photos. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.